Bonjour and welcome to Ready Steady French with Mademoiselle Pucci. Today we're going to make Napoleon's hat. Now Napoleon was a very important man in French history. Napoleon was born in 1799, that's a long time ago, and he became the most important man in the world because he decided that he would be the Emperor of France, so he was in charge of France, but that wasn't enough for him. He had to then go on to other countries in Europe and decide to conquer those and to be in charge of those as well. And so when we talk about French and France, Napoleon's a very important man, and I'm going to show you a picture of him so that you know what he looks like. So here is a picture of Napoleon. As you can see, he wore a very particular hat, he wore a uniform and some boots and some shoulder pads, and he wore this uniform when he used to go into battle. So before you do this activity, remember to always have an adult who is supervising you. That means keeping an eye and checking that you're okay. So remember to always use scissors that have rounded edges so that you can't cut yourself. And to always ask an adult for help if you feel you need to. Okay, so for today's activity, making Napoleon's hat, we're going to need quite a number of items. We're going to need a large piece of black card, noir, c'est noir, it's black. Some white paper, du papier blanc, blanc is white. A yellow pen, jaune. A stapler, some scissors, some glue, and some ribbon. So here's one I made earlier. This is Alexandre. Je m'appelle Alexandre. My name's Alexandre. And this is Napoleon's hat, which we made earlier. So I'm going to show you now how you can make one. So you're going to take your piece of black card, which you've already folded in half, and you're going to draw a wiggly line. Can you see that? Okay. So now you're going to cut along that line for that one half of your piece of card. Can you see that? Then keep that placed with your other half and cut around the same shape. So that they both look the same in the end. This is what you should end up with. Then you're going to take your other piece of card, put it in front of it, and you're going to cut around the same shape for this one now. There we go. So you should have two pieces like this. Take your stapler and you're going to place one staple on those two bits together at the end. Voila. One staple over here. Voila. And one staple on the top. Voila. The bottom should still be open so that you can put that on your head in a little bit. Then for the decoration, Alexandre, tiens ça. Can you hold that for me? We're going to have a little piece of ribbon which we've cut beforehand. and we're going to staple that on at the side. So you've got the hole at the side here, so just pop that there, put your stapler inside so you can press that to staple it on. Mummy will help you with this, or Daddy. Okay, so we've got so far, and now we're going to take a piece of papier blanc, white paper. We're going to colour it in a little bit in jaune, yellow, so that it looks very bright. We're going to do Napoleon's badge, because Napoleon is a very important person in France. We want to make sure that we remember that. We're going to cut around it in a nice even circle so that it's his badge. Voila. We're going to then stick that with de la colle, some glue, on top of that ribbon, so it looks really important. And there we go. We have Napoleon's hat, which Mademoiselle Pucci can put on, or you can put on. And at this time of the year, it's a really good time to be doing this, because Halloween is coming up and maybe you might want to dress up as Napoleon. Merci. Très bien. And to see how your child can improve their French, why not enrol in one of our courses online for French for primary age children? We have courses from 4 years old to 12 years old that covers reception to the end of Key Stage 2. And we do all sorts of exciting topics, from parts of the body to colours to means of transport, and we make everything in French fun. So enrol in one of our courses and you'll be giving your child the best gift you can, particularly over this time where everybody's more stuck at home than normal. So you can open up their minds and give them the best thing you can. À bientôt, and see you soon at Ready Steady French. Au revoir.